Architectural Builders Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
If I get it out successfully, I'll probably pick this up. But
yeah, so you've got what looks like an ASI 0410 and a wet wall installation, and the question is how to get it out. Yeah, there's a technical term. It's called destructive bypass.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's not meant to be serviced or removed at all.
Okay.
There'll be mortar, grout back there holding all that in. And why do you need to pull it out?
Well, there's two in my house. One, the one I have, the bar part of it is like, the bottom part of it is like rusted out almost. It's like, so I was thinking, I guess the question is that, can that bar be replaced? You know, the little bar the towel hangs on. And then the other one I have in my house, it's just like, you know, when you have that soap that's on and then it's like, it gets like corroded and I don't know if that can be cleaned or not. So I guess those are the two reasons why we're thinking about it.
Yeah,
well, maybe I should look at an alternate solution.
Yeah, the towel bars they can be removed once you get the thing off the wall. There are two screws that are behind there generally. So replacing it boils down to, again, ripping it off the wall. And yes, there are combinations of soap and base material that are caustic to each other. We've had people call and say, yeah, the stainless steel is all rusting. Well, we get the MSDS for the soap, and it turns out, yeah, that stuff eats stainless steel. You can't put that in there. So it could be that, and it could be that what is there is the cheapest thing the builder could get his hands on, or it could be the best. Who knows? But not unheard of.
Okay, God, I'm just taking some notes here while I'm talking to you. So the towel bars, they can only be removed once you take the whole unit out of the wall?
Yeah, because if there's a mechanical fastener, it'll be underneath the perimeter lip of the unit.
Okay, got it. So now you said that these are not designed to be ever taken out, but they can be in a destructive manner?
Yeah, if you pull, yeah, the issue is there's going to be lugs or something back there, and it was held in with grout or mortar, and just pulling on that's going to be dangerous business at best, at a minimum, I should say. So, a Dremel tool sort of approach, very painstaking and tedious. It's like, you sprained your wrist, but you're setting the whole arm in a cast is what your approach is. That's the problem.
Yeah. Now, is there, I don't know. It's hard to say, I know, but like, could I just literally take a grinder and just start just breaking the thing in small pieces? And if it's a grout and mortar, it just doesn't matter, right? The size of it's just going to be, even if I shattered it into pieces, it's still going to be held by the adhesiveness of the grout and mortar.
Yeah, if it was me, I would go in with a very small controllable tool, and I would patiently cut away so that I could preserve what is behind there with the hope of reattaching my new unit to it. So you would get the drywall installation. Well, you would get one that you could mechanically fasten.
That's better than
a drywall installation is going to have a couple of holes countersunk in the back of it because there's a clamp that's back there that you could draw to the drywall. So you could use those holes and get a couple of stainless fasteners and plastic anchors.
I see. Got it. And then you just put that in, and then you put the silicone around the edge to...
Oh, most definitely. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, got it. All right. I guess... it sounds like a delicate process. The website or one of the comments noted. So, do you guys sell through, is it just direct, or is it through any of the big box stores, or what's in case I get mine out, and I think the measurements are 5 1/4 by 5 1/4, which I think matches this one, but I'll have to.
Yeah, it sounds like a good size. You would just order that from us.
Okay. Order. Okay. Okay. Very good. Is it just calling you guys better, or just like, do you guys have a shopping cart on your website, or?
Dealer's choice. You can order it on the phone or online, whatever you like.
Okay. Cool. Okay. Through ABS. Okay. And you said, if I just look at it correctly, a small controllable tool to somehow take it apart while still preserving what's behind it as best as possible.
Yeah, like a Dremel tool. Okay. Those are you're going to spend a lot of money in abrasives to cut through there. If it was me, I would use a die grinder is how I would do it, and put probably a 3-inch metal wheel on there and cut out the entire back of it, or get inside of it and remove the entire trim, and then see if you can start to fold that material back and figure out its secrets. But it's. I hope you're not in the position of having to sell a house and you got to do it like this weekend.
No. I mean, we want to sell the place, but it's not this weekend. It's a little bit out there, so I'm not on a time crunch. But it sounds like it's not a clean removal. This would be a take it apart slowly, carefully kind of thing. So
yeah, eye protection, ear protection, lung protection, all of it.
All of it. Yep, got it. Beautiful design, some of these things, it sounds like. I can see why the screws are the way to go. So, okay, very good. I thank you very much for the time. You gave me exactly what I need. I got enough guidance, and if I take this project on, we'll see if it goes smoothly and I get order or something from you. But thanks again. I appreciate it.
Best of luck. Bye-bye.
All right, thank you. Bye.
Architectural Builders Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.